Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about using a PMCMD command in interactive mode. So about command line mode I already discussed. So this video I'm going to discuss about interactive mode. So the definition is you can stabilize and maintain an active connection to the integration service. This lets you issue a series of commands and you can use environment variable for username and password within PMCMD. You can also use environment variable to customize the way PMCMD display the date and time on the machine running the integration service process. Before you use PMCMD, configure these variables on the machine running the integration service process. The environment variable apply to PMCMD command that run on the node. So this is the definition of PMCMD command at interactive mode. So running PMCMD command in interactive mode. So use a PMCMD command in interactive mode to start and stop workflow and session without writing a script. When you use interactive mode, you enter connection information such as domain name, integration service, username, password. You can run a subsequent command without entering the connection information for each command. So this is the example. So let's do this. So first let's open command mode CMD. So at here, if you write PM or CMD, so this time PMCD is not recognized as an internal or external command. So at the in CTRAP user item, so PM CMD is not there. So let's go for PMCMD command. So first at here, uh, C drive Informatica folder 9.5.1 server bin. So at the PMCMD command is there. Let's press P. Sorry, PMCMD executable file. So there is a PMCMD uh, executable file there. So let's copy this location and use change directory and paste to that location and press enter. Now let's write PMCMD. So at here, Informatica PMCMD version 9.5.1 Windows 32-bit copyright. So invoked at the so PMCMD command invoked. Now from here, so we have to first connect, give the connection information such as domain name, integration service, user name, password. So first PMCMD is there. So first I have to write connect or connect. Next is SV, that is stand for service, and hereafter integration service name. So my integration service name int. So let's write int, and now next domain, and my domain. So domain name, let's find. So this is my domain name. So first write at here domain underscore and copy this gateway host. So this is our domain name, and now next domain over user and password we have to give. So my username administrator, and password a small letter administrator. Now press enter. So it's successfully connected to the integration service. So this all are the steps to connect to stabilize the connection at interactive mode. So I did the same at here to run a command or to run PMCD command in interactive mode. So first go to command prompt and switch the directory executable file located at this location C or drive Informatica folder 9.5.1 server and after bin. And from here executor file is located, so give the directory, and after at the command prompt type PMCMD. So I type PMCMD, and this start PMCMD in interactive mode and display PMCMD command PMCMD prompt. So at here this is interactive mode start, and at here this is comes as a PMCMD command prompt. So you don't have to tap PMCD before each command in interactive mode. Like we did this before. If you are using a command line mode, so you have to give a PMCMD. But if you are using interactive mode, so at here no need to give PMCMD to connect. So at here I did not give any PMCMD. Directly use connect SB in integration service domain, etc. So for interconnection information for domain and integration service, so this is the example. Connect SB for service, my integration service, so that is in, and domain. So give the domain name and user and password. So after that, Type a command and its option arguments of the following. Next, I am going to discuss about some PMCMD commands in interactive modes. So let's click PMCD command. So first command connect I already discussed. So this is all about connect command. So connect the PMCD program to the integration service in the interactive mode. If you omit connection information, PMCMD commands you to enter the correct information. Once PMCD successfully connected, you can issue command without re-entering the connection information. So this is so I already did add here connect service and INT integration service domain username and password. So connected to integration service. Now next I am going to discuss about a start the workflow. So let's click start the workflow. So this is in command line mode and this is in interactive mode. So let's write at here. First need to write start workflow and folder name. So use F. So my folder name is DW dev, and after give a workflow name. So about the workflow name, this is the name of workflow. Copy this and paste it there. And before I'm going to press enter, so this is the workflow. Now I'm going to start the workflow. So look at the workflow is in running state. Workflow and session. So it gets succeeded. So at here, this is not displaying about the details of workflow. Either it's run or not running. So for this, if you like to know the all detailed information, so use another command. The name of command is get task get service details. So get workflow details service. So this is a command we have to use. So this is for command line mode and this is for interactive mode. So right here, get details of folder name and username password. So only I have to change that here, right? Or get workflow details. Get workflow details. So let's press enter. So this is the details about workflow. Integration service status that is running a startup time and service current time current time 7621 2015 workflow. This is the name of workflow run status successful. So this is all the information, so all the details about workflow. So now I'm going to discuss about the next command of PMCMD in interactive mode. So first I start the workflow. Now I'm going to stop the work. So this is syntax at interactive mode. So at here only write a stop workflow and everything same. Or to stop workflow, first I need to start the workflow. So if you press enter, so at here cannot stop workflow because it's not running. So let's start the workflow and now click on stop. So look at the workflow get stopped. And now next, so this is all detailed about a stop workflow command. Now next command is about the workflow. So at interactive mode, you have to write about workflow folder, wait, run is run inst name and workflow ID workflow run ID. So at your option service that is required or domain optional and timeout optional user required and at your user where UV that is specified the username environment variable required in command line mode, not in interactive mode, and password that is required and this is a password that required in command line mode and USD that is optional and USD optional in command line mode. Security domain environment not used in interactive mode. So folder that is required and wait that is optional and run instance name that is a name of workflow run instance you want to abort. If you are running concurrent workflow then you have to use this one and w8 run id that is run identifier number. It's also optional part. Use option the workflow does not unique run instance name. And at here not ever workflow required. Name of workflow that is required. So let's write abort command. So first this is the abort command. Abort F4 folder and F4 folder dw underscore dem and next to workflow name. So if you enter, so at here cannot stop or abort because currently not running on this integration service. So first I have to run the integration workflow, then after I will abort. So for this, let's run the workflow. So write start workflow. So workflow is in start state. So now I used abort command. So workflow aborted and session get stopped. So this is all about abort workflow command. Uh, so now next command I'm going to discuss about disconnect. So abort or disconnect you can use this syntax disconnect and you can only use in interactive mode. So let's write disconnect and if I'm going to try to connect So this is connected. And if I'm going to connect again, so I got the error message cannot connect when already it connected. So if you use or disconnect command, so that's a disconnect. And if I'm going to use connect, then that will connect. Again, I'm going to use, so it's already connected, so we have to disconnect that one. And now next is exit. So exit command also used in interactive mode. So let's write exit exit. So that is exit from PMCMD command prompt. So other command you should try, and if any problem then or just to review or leave your comment if you find any problem in any other commands. So now it's done at you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.